how to create your own open chat on Kakaotalk. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can create your own open chat on Kakaotalk. So let's get started. First, open the Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you open, tap on this chat icon right here at the top. You can see it. Tap on it. Now you will see the settings option right here at the top right corner. Tap on this settings icon. Now you can see create an open chat room. Now you can just tap on create. Now once you tap on create, you can either choose a group chat or open profile. Just tap on any one from here. We'll choose open profile. Now once you tap on open profile, you can see your name right here and just tap on status message and introduce yourself. You can also include the hashtags to describe your interest right here. You can enable the public search as well, and that's it. This is how you can create your own open chat on Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.